Get ready. I'm about to introduce you to someone that's going to change your life. A young man that a few years ago, he was just washing dishes, trying to make ends meet, as my mother used to say. And he had a dream and a vision of doing more. He knew he had the ability to do more. He just at that time didn't know what to do. And sometimes you have to do some things in the meantime and between time. And then he discovered something. He discovered how to use the internet to create wealth. He discovered 5 things that's tried and proven, that now he's become an icon. Now he's literally a guru and helping people go from zero to starting their own business and earning millions of dollars. Isn't that exciting? That is amazing. Remember now, Time Magazine said in 2007, the computer is the person of the year. Why? Because for the first time in the history of the planet, everyday people can go online and using their ideas, using their ingenuity, using their creativeness, and start businesses and start to begin to attract customers around the world. This is what he did. His name is Fred Lamb. I can tell you, this is a book that you want to get right now. It's called Starting from Zero, How to Build an Online Business When You're Starting with Nothing. Hello, how you feeling, brother? Up in here. And Fred knows, remember, he's washing dishes. And it's been said that knowledge is the new currency. You're going to gain so much knowledge on how to control your personal economy. You're going to learn so much in such a short period of time. And with nothing, you're going to be able to change the course of your life. You know, I don't endorse many things. And I never talk about something unless I know, unless I believe it. And I believe in you, Fred. And I want to thank you personally on behalf of the thousands of people's lives you've already changed, and those that now that are going to click the link above or below and get this book that you have written that will help the everyday person begin to live their dreams rather than their fears. I want you to click the link right now and get the book that everybody's talking about, Starting from Zero, How to Build an Online Business When You're Starting with Nothing. He's been there and he's done it. See, I believe you don't teach what you don't know and you don't lead where you don't go. And Fred Lamb, he's the man. He knows how to do it. Thank you again. Come on, do it right now. Go and click that link above or below and get the book that everybody's talking about, Starting from Zero, How to Build an Online Business When You're Starting with Nothing. You have something special. You have greatness within you.